Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. You're in the right place, San Luis Obispo Real Estate. My name is Jay Bond, Bond Real Estate Group. I am a real estate broker here in San Luis Obispo County and serving the Central Coast. So if you are a home buyer or seller, or you're just curious about the real estate market here on the Central Coast, you're in the right place. So make sure you hit that subscribe button there. Today we are at 1707 Manhattan Avenue in beautiful Grover Beach. Now this is unusual condo inventory priced under $500,000. That's right, under $500,000. The location is really cool, close to amenities, shopping. Right behind us, just about a block away, is the Vons Shopping Center. You're also very close to the Highway 101 and a short distance, I believe a 5-minute drive from here, actual to the beach access in Grover Beach. So this unit built in 1979, a lot of great improvements throughout the unit. Overall square footage is around 1,112 square feet, and this is a 2-bedroom, 2.5 bath condo with a 2-car garage. Let's take a look inside. All right, so here's our foyer. As we enter here, right off of the entry, we have a powder room, right? So this is a half bath. You have your commode, you have your vanity, right? Nice guest access in the lower level of the house. As you can see, relatively open floor plan. So here is your living room area, right? We have some newer flooring that has been installed in the last few years in this home. A lot of great light coming through from the windows here, relatively high ceilings, and then we do have a nice little formal dining space right here, right? Great space, again, hosting dinners, having your family over, your kids over, right, while you're cooking dinner, sitting down, a great location for that. And then we have our kitchen here. Again, a lot of natural light coming through this unit right here. We have our recessed lighting, stainless steel refrigerator, and then this takes us into our 2-car garage, right? Now this space has been recently painted, as well as a new garage door having been installed, which is a nice update to the home, right? Nice finished look here. And as we see, this is the overall shared drive for the rest of the community here. Everyone has access to their garages from this space, but still overall, this is, mid-afternoon right now. Very, very quiet in this community, as you can see. All right, we'll make our way back in and start checking out the upstairs with the bedrooms. Carpeted stairwell, as we see, and this is a forced air heated unit. Here is our utility closet for said forced air unit here. Coming down the hallway, thermostat. We also have a full guest bathroom, tub, shower, the whole bit. And as we come through guest bedroom, as we see here, nice new vinyl flooring that has been installed, fresh paint in this room, a lot of square footage, nice spacious room. And again, we see this abundance of natural light flowing through. And then we also have a decent sized walk-in closet right here, as we see, and then a little additional access behind here, right, if we want to service utilities, etc., etc. We'll make our way into the master bedroom. And so as we see, we have an ensuite bath. It's a 3/4 bath, newer vanity, which has been installed. And then we have this partition wall just adjacent to the left, which has a little degree of separation between the bathroom and the master bedroom. And again, we see newer flooring that has been installed in here, access to your closet, a very spacious bedroom. And we see this, again, a lot of natural light flowing through this room, right? We have some built-in linen cupboards right here, towels, additional storage, the whole bit. So this is a very finished unit. Now this unit is listed at $425. That's right, $425 for this home here. And what's great about this property, I would say plus-wise, Grover Beach School District, Grover Beach Elementary is just right down the street. An abundance of shopping. Gosh, you are probably within 5 minutes of Trader Joe's. Vons Safeway Shopping Center, as I mentioned earlier, is literally about a block away from here, as well as beach access to Grover Beach, which is about a 5-minute drive, give or take, from this location. So a lot of pluses, not just shopping, amenities, everything is very centrally located to this home here. So it's a really big plus, especially if you don't want to be driving super far for shopping or really anything else, dining, anything like that. So now the home is also a 25-minute drive from the city of Santa Maria and about a 20-minute drive to the city of San Luis Obispo, also San Luis Obispo Airport. All right, guys, if you like what you see, make sure you hit that thumbs up, hit that subscribe, or hit that bell if you want to stay notified notified for new content that we're posting. If you are interested in buying or selling or just have questions about the local real estate market here in San Luis Obispo and the Central Coast, hey, reach out to us. Hit a comment on this video, or you can visit our website, bondreg.com. Stay tuned for the next video.